Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think there is no absent for today. Because there is no absent today, let us give ourselves a barangay clap. Did you know what is barangay clap? Okay, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, stand up. Let us give ourselves a barangay clap. Stand up, stand up. Okay. Stand up, Harvey. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay. Before we go on to our discussion, let us all stand for a short prayer. Okay, are you ready to pray?
Yes.
Okay, please stand up.
Please bow your heads and let us pray.
Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day, sharing your love in every way.
Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love,
And have lots of fun.
shining your light
and giving your grace, shining your joy with a smile on my face. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, tonight and guard, to rule and guide. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, please take your seat, class. Okay, how's our weather for today? What do you think our weather for today? It's sunny day. Okay, very good. Okay, I will show you our weather for today. Okay, listen carefully, class.
Gabi o bukas na ng umaga, lalabas ang Philippine Air Responsibility ang bagyong Josie. Alamin natin ang mga update kay GMA resident meteorologist na Daniel Cruz. Mantan. Yes, Ivan, kahit nga palabas na ng PAR ang Tropical Depression Josie, patuloy pa rin itong pinalalakas ang hangin habagat. Muling namataan ng pag-asa ang sentro ng bagyo sa layong 330 kilometers dyan sa may hilagang silangan ng north-northeast ng Basco, Batanes at Bahagyan ng Mina dahil taglay na lakas ang hangin ito. Umaabot sa 55 kilometers per hour malapit sa gitna at bugso na hanggang 65 kilometers per hour. Kumikilos ito pa hilagang silangan o north-northeast.
Listen carefully, class, to our weather update.
At sa ngayon mga kapuso, wala na pong nakataas sa tropical cyclone warning signal sa alimang bahagi ng ating bansa.
Okay, there is no typhoon daw for today.
Ang pinalalakas ng bagyong Josie ang magdadala naman mapagulan sa malaking bahagi ng bansa bukas, araw ng suwala ng Pangulo. At sa Luzon, magulang panahon dito sa base.
Okay, class. Let us give let us clap because our weather for today is very good. 1, 2, 3, yay! Okay. Before we start class, let us hear your classmate, one of your classmates, to report our science news. Who will volunteer? Yes, Ayara. Okay. Come here and report new science news. Here in front.
Science News. Hello everyone, I'm Ayara. I'm going to report how COVID-19 vaccine works. The vaccine does not contain any virus, so it cannot give you COVID-19. It cannot change your DNA in any way. I am Ayara, your reporter for today.
Okay, thank you, Ayara. Let's clap your classmates, Ayara. Okay, according to her, COVID-19, there is no side effects now about COVID-19. Okay, that is our science report reported by your classmates, Ayala. Okay, grade 6 class. I have prepared here a different kinds of fruits. I have here grapes. Do you know what is this? Grapes.
Yes.
This is an apple. This is a pepino or cucumber in English. And this is
Orange.
okay. This fruits I will cut it into pieces and separate it into pieces. Okay. Now I will mix these fruits, these cut fruits. I will mix it in a bowl. When we say mix, ano yung mix? Sa Tagalog ay pinaghalo-halo. Okay. Before to ensure our cleanliness and safety to the food we eat, we should wear, what's this?
Glass.
Glove. Okay, this is a plastic glove. I will wear it to ensure cleanliness in the food we eat. You should do that, huh? Okay. Who will volunteer to help me in mixing the fruits? Hershey and Iana. Okay, come in front. Okay. Where is glove? Here. Come. Here. Iana. Okay. Okay, can we mix first the grapes? Grapes here in the bowl. Mix. Help me mix the fruits. Okay. Okay. Okay, mix it. Okay, and stir. When you say stir, it's called halo in Tagalog. Oh, stir. Ano na, stir. Yeah. Mix. Dahan-dahan, baka madulog. At kakainin pa ito mamaya yan. Okay. Thank you so much. Let us clap your classmates, Hershey and Ayala. Okay, thank you. You may know it. Okay. I also prepared here a very healthy beverage rich in vitamin orange rich in vitamin C. Okay, who can volunteer and help me to mix it in this water? Pitcher water. Ivana and Harvey. Come in front. Ba't nakadala? Don't be shy. Show your talent. Okay. Okay, mix the orange juice in the pitcher of water. Okay, we'll open. Plus, you have to observe what we are doing in front of your classmates. Okay. This is powder tang orange, rich in vitamin C. 20 pesos. Herbie, put the sugar in the pitcher. Put what? No, small amount because it's sweet. Ayan. Okay. Okay, class, thank you. Let's clap your classmates, Harvey and Ivana. Okay, thank you so much. Now, I also prepare here a short video. Please watch, Watch. Watch and observe.
Have you ever seen lemonade? Nibu pani? Do you know what items does it contain?
Did you see, class? The whole class?
Sugar and water. So we can say that lemonade is a mixture of lemon juice, sugar and water. A mixture refers to the physical combination of two or more substances. Different type of
Listen
mixtures.
carefully, class.
There are two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture. A mixture whose components are soluble in each other. For example, when sugar is added to water, it dissolves, showing no signs of two different mixtures. Other such examples are mixture of milk, which contains water and cream, mixture of toothpaste. Heterogeneous mixture. A mixture whose components are not soluble in each other. For example, when oil is mixed in water, it doesn't get dissolved. Other examples of heterogeneous mixture are mixture of sand and pebbles, salad, etc.
Okay, thank you, class. Okay, class. What can you say about the video you watch? Anyone? Yes, Ivana? The video you watch is on
Making
about.
lemonade.
Okay, making lemonade. What can you say about the mixture?
The mixture can't separate.
Okay, according to your classmates, the video she watched, the first part of the video is making lemonade, and she noticed that the the lemonade and the sugar, when mixed in the water, they cannot separate. Hindi na daw nila paghiwalay yun, hindi niya makukuha kung alin doon yung sugar, kung alin doon yung lemonade, doon sa tubig. Okay, how about the second part of the video? What can you say about? Yes, Hershey, can you say about the second part of the video?
Oil, water, salad, pebbles, they can separate.
Okay, the second part of the video, they showed the different substance like the oil and water and the salad and the pebbles. Alam niyo ba yung pebbles? Pebbles is yung mga bato-batong maliliit. And Hershey noticed that those substances can be separate. Napapaghiwa-hiwalay mo, nakukuha mo doon kung alin yung pebbles. Na-identify mo doon kung alin yung oil sa water pag pinagsama. Yung sa salad, katulad ng ginawa natin salad, nahiwalay doon yung kung alin gusto mong prutas. Okay, very good. Let us give ourselves a barangay clap. Let's stand up. Let us give ourselves a barangay clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, now class, what we did a while ago, yung ginawa natin kanina, and the videos you watch, yung napanood yung video, is called mixing. Sa Tagalog ay yung halo-halo. Okay, mixing is it is a process in which we are combining two or more substances. Like in the fruits, we combine different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Okay. Like in the orange juice also, these are called mixtures. Okay, when we say class mixtures, is made. Okay, that's right. Mixtures is made when two or more substances are combined or mixed together. Again, please read, Ivana. What is mixtures? Will you please read again?
Mixtures made when two or more substances are combined or mixed together.
Okay, very good. Mixtures is made when two or more substances are combined or mixed together. When we say two or more, mas marami siya sa dalawa. Katulad nito, pinag-mix natin yung maraming klase ng iba't ibang uri ng prutas. Then dito sa orange juice, we mix sugar, tang powder, and water. Okay. Okay, class, who can go in front here and help me to identify the fruits in the bowl? Iara, please help me to identify in this. Okay, in this mixtures, can you identify where is the cucumber or the pepino? Okay, very good. Kaina. Okay. Ivana, please go in front. In this mixture, can you identify what is the grapes? Okay, very good. Arvin, come here. In this kind of mixture, can you identify which is the orange? Okay. How we can identify the orange in this kind of mixture? Okay, let's eat na. And then Hershey, can you identify which is the apple here? Okay, she can identify what is apple here in the bowl. Okay. Because this kind of mixtures that can be separated, bear that in mind, the mixtures that can be separated, yun na katulad yung ginawa nyo, they can be separated. Kukuha nyo kung ano doon ang kung alin doon ang substance na tinuro nyo. Okay. This kind of mixtures that can be separated class or distinguished or you can identify all its components are called heterogeneous. Okay. Again, that the substance that can be separated is called class. It's called
Heterogeneous.
Okay, heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is a kind of mixtures that can be separated na identify nyo yung mga components niya ha, or you can distinguish or identify all the components. Okay, who can give an example? Okay, sand and water, very good, Ayala. Okay, examples are ice cubes and soft drinks. Why? Because you okay, like for example, this is a soft drinks and there is an ice cube. According to Hershey, that is an example of heterogeneous because you can identify the ice cubes in the soft drinks. Okay. Now, how about in this fruit juice? Do you think that you can identify all its components?
No.
Okay, but why RB? Why you cannot identify the components here? Because it is natunaw na you cannot identify which is the sugar here. Hindi niyo na malalaman kung ano diyan, kung nasa diyan asukal, hindi niyo na makukuha. Okay. And that is a kind of mixtures called homogeneous. Okay. Bob, alam niyo na. Okay, homogeneous mixtures, ito daw is a kind of mixtures. Okay, homogeneous is a kind of mixtures that cannot be separated, or you cannot distinguish or identify all the components. In heterogeneous, you can identify or separate all the components, but in the homogeneous, you cannot be separated the components present in the mixtures. Who can give an examples? Yara, you can give an examples of. Okay. Tea
and chocolate.
Okay, very good. Tea and chocolate. Why? Because nakakita ba kayo ng tea? Okay. Why you call that homogeneous mixtures? Because Harvey?
Separated.
Okay, you cannot separate the sugar in the tea. Okay, okay. Very good, class. Let us give ourselves a clap. Now, class, we are going to have a group activity. Okay. Get one candy here. Okay. Get one candy. Okay. Okay, class. Who get the red candy? Sino nakuha ng red candy? Okay. Hershey? Okay. You will be group 1. Okay, the one who get the red candy will be group 1, and the one who get the yellow candy, okay, raise your hand who get the yellow candy. Okay, you will be group 2, and the one who get the orange candy, please raise your hand. Okay, then you will be group 3. Okay, our activity is entitled Mix It Up. Okay. We need the materials, the small basin, the sand. This is sand is the buhangin, and the pebbles. Do you know what is pebbles?
Bato.
Okay, bato. And glass, of course, glass, water, and oil, cooking oil, soy sauce, and okay, vinegar. Okay, for group 1. Okay, please say, who is the leader of group 1? Okay. Okay, for group 1, put 1 cup of sand and 1 cup of pebbles in a plastic basin and label the state of matter combined. Okay, this is the group 1. Okay, group 1. And for group 2, who is group 2? Who is the leader of group 2? Okay, come in front. Okay. Okay, task 2 for group 2. Put 1 spoonful, listen group 2. Put 1 spoonful cooking oil and 1 spoonful water on a glass and label the state of matter combined. Okay. Group 2, here is your material. Okay, who is the leader of group 3? Okay, please stop. Okay, listen carefully, group 3. Put 1 spoonful vinegar and 1 spoonful soy sauce in a glass bowl. Okay. Okay, here is the spoonful. Here is your spoon. Okay, class, listen group. Okay, listen group. Okay. Before we start our group activity, let us remind first what are the rules in making a group activity. Please keep quiet, listen to your leader, and cooperate with the group. Okay, I will give you 8 to 10 minutes in doing a group activity. Okay, start now. Okay, class, are you finished? Are you done? Okay, very good. Let us check your group activity. Okay, group 1 will be the first to present their work. Okay, come. Group 1. Okay, thank you so much. The leader of group 1, Hershey. Okay, let us read or check the answer of group 1. Okay, activity number 1. Name of substance, sand, pebbles. Class read. State of matter,
solid.
Okay. Changes observed when mixed.
The substance can be separated.
Okay, very good. Let us give banana clap to group 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, now let's proceed to group 2. Let's check the work of group 2. Who is your leader? Okay, Harvey is the leader of group 2. Okay, quiet class. Did you understand class our topic for today?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much to the leader of group 2, Harvey Pescariana. Okay, let us check the work of group 2. Okay, activity number 2. Name of substance.
Cooking oil, water.
Okay, state of matter.
Liquid.
Changes observed when mixed.
Substance can be distinguished.
Okay, very good. Let us give group 2 a barangay clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, now let's proceed to group 3. The work of group 3, please. Present your work here in front, group 3. The leader is Ayara. Okay. Keep quiet, class. Can you read the form of group 3 class?
Yes.
Okay. And separated. Mixtures is made when two or more substances are combined or mixed together. Okay, very good. Okay, let us check. Let us read and check the work of group 3. Name of substance.
Vinegar.
And
Soy sauce.
okay, state of matter.
Liquid.
Okay, changes observed when mixed.
The components or
substances
can be
separated. Okay, let us give our group clap. Okay, now class, I have a question for you. What do you think happened to the combined materials for group 1? What can you say about your work? The pebbles and the sand. You can separate. Napag-ihiwalay mo yung lupa and
Soil.
Sand.
pebbles and sand. Okay. Okay, for group 2, what do you think happened to the combined materials? Group 2. Can you separate the oil and water?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, for group 3, what can you say? What can you happen to the combined materials? You cannot. Okay, very good. You cannot separate the combined materials. Okay, which of the following mixture is homogeneous? Okay, for group 1, does your work homogeneous? It is heterogeneous. The sand and pebbles, it cannot be separated. Okay, for group 2, who is group? Okay, group 2. Okay, very good. Group 3.
Homogeneous.
Okay, homogeneous. Okay. Okay, very good, class. Thank you so much. Okay, now class, I have here an individual activity. Okay. Okay, get one and pass. Get one and pass. Okay. Okay. Will you please read the directions, Ivana? Okay. Please read the directions.
List on site of at least 15 examples of mixtures and be able to identify whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous and put it in the label.
Okay, in the table. Okay. The directions for your individual activity, class, listen. List or cite at least 15 examples of mixtures and be able to identify whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous and put it in a table. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you 5 to 8 minutes in answering your individual activity. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let us answer your individual activity. Who can give an example of mixtures? Hershey? Hershey, what is the example of mixtures?
Air.
Air. Okay, what type of mixture is air?
Homogeneous.
Okay, homogeneous. Another example, Ayara.
Cereals and milk.
Okay, cereals and milk. What type of mixture?
Heterogeneous.
Okay, heterogeneous. Next, who can give? Harvey. Pinakbet. Okay, pinakbet. What type of mixture is pinakbet?
Heterogeneous.
Okay, heterogeneous. Why? Because you can separate all the components or the mixture. Okay, very good. Next, Hershey.
Soup.
Okay, soup. Sabaw. What types of...
Homogeneous.
Okay, homogeneous. Yes, Ivana?
Corn and rice.
Okay, corn and rice. What types of mixture is corn and rice?
Heterogeneous.
Why? Why you say it is heterogeneous? Because you can identify which is the corn
And
which
rice.
is the rice. Okay, very good. Okay, last. Ayana.
Difficult, a different color. Candy.
Okay, iba't ibang uri daw ng candy, pinagsama sa bowl. What type of mixture is that?
Heterogeneous.
Okay, heterogeneous because you can identify all its components. Okay, very good. Okay, class, you got all the correct answers. Let us give ourselves once again a barangay clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, now class, for your assignment, get your assignment notebook. Okay. And take notes this. For your assignment, know the different techniques in separating mixtures. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, now class, let's stand up. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom this love commits me here. Ever this day, at my side, to light and guide, to rule and guard. Amen. Thank you, Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye!
Okay, see you tomorrow.